Dear students, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start the remaining part of 21st B exercise. So this is your sixth question. So the cross section of a piece of a metal 4 meter in length. So the length of this particular piece, so this is the front part, that is the cross section part, and this is 4 meter long. So this is shown. We have to calculate first the area of this cross section and volume of this particular cubic piece. Okay student, this is your required figure. We will split this into two parts, not equal. So name this A, B, C, D and E. So ABCD is a rectangle and this is triangle. So we have to calculate the area of rectangle and triangle, then we will add to get the area of this cross section. So you can also mark this point as O. So triangle EDO. So this particular triangle. So we have to add these two areas to get the area of this whole cross section. Now if this is 10, then this length from here to here will be also 10, and this is 12. So area of rectangle is 10 into 12 into 10, and this complete is 12. This part is 7.5. So just subtract 7.5 from 12 to get the length of this part. So this will be 12 minus 7.5, which is equal to 4.5. Now if this is 10, this complete was 16. This is 10, so this part will be of 6. Area of triangle is half into base, so you can take base as 4.5 and height as 6. This is 120. So this will be 13.5. So this is equal to 133.5. So these all are in centimeters, so area will be in centimeters square. So this is the answer for first part. Now in the second part, volume of the piece. So volume is equal to area of cross section multiplied by length. So area we have calculated 133.5 and length is given in the question 4 meters. So 4 meter we will change into centimeters, because every other unit is in centimeter. We have also changed this into centimeter. On multiplying we will get centimeter cube. Now there is one more part is given. If 1 cubic centimeter of metal weighs 6.6 gram, how much piece of metal? Okay, so 1 cube, the weight of 1 cubic meter metal is equal to 6.6 gram and we have to find the weight of this complete metal, which has volume 53,400. So weight of 53,400 centimeter cube metal is equal to 6.6 into which is equal to 5352440 grams. So for changing in kilogram, this will be, we will divide it by 1000, 0.44 kilogram, and they have asked to the nearest kg. So as this is lesser than 5, so we will discard it. So its nearest kg is 352 kg. So this is a just similar weight or approx weight. For approx weight, we write, instead of equal to, we can write this. Next, question number 7. A rectangular water tank measuring 80, 60, 60 is filled from a pipe. So this is the volume of that particular tank is given. So we have to fill this tank with the help of a pipe whose cross-sectional area is given 1.5 centimeters square. So water emerging at a speed of 3.2 meter per second. How long it will take to fill the tank? From here we can calculate the length, and also speed is given. From we will take this length as distance, and from speed and distance we can find the time. So this is your question number 7. Capacity of tank. So that is equal to 80 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. Okay, you can find this value, but ultimately we are not required to find this in the answer, so I will not find. So that will make our calculations easier. Now the next thing is given cross-sectional area. That is 1.5 centimeters square. So this capacity, and so suppose this is a water pipe and this is your particular tank. So this is the cross sectional area. This particular area is 1.5 centimeters square. We can find this length. This length will act as distance. The formula we will use to find the time, distance upon speed, that is length upon speed, that we can use. So first of all, we will find the volume of water, which is equal to capacity of tank. So these two things must be equal. The amount of water delivered by this particular pipe must fill this tank, so that means both volume must be equal. So volume of tank or capacity, which is equal to 80 into 60 into 60, is equal to area of cross section, that is 1.5, multiplied by length of pipe, or length, or this is the length, or this is the distance which water have traveled through this cross section. From here, length is equal to 80 into 60 into 60 divided by 1.5. So this point we will change, this will become 10 here, and 15 4s are 60. So this is the length of the distance. Now we require to find the time. So time is distance upon speed. So here distance is this length, and speed is given in the question 3.2 meter per second. This is given in centimeter and this is meter in meters. So how we will first change this. Length is 80 into 4 into 60 into 10, and what is this? 3.2 meter means, say we will multiply it with 100 to change it into centimeters. So which will become 3.2 multiplied by 100 centimeter per second. Now just find this value. So time is 600 seconds. If we divide it by 60 to change it into minutes, which is equal to 10 minutes, which is your answer. There are also some more ways that you can also find the time by dividing capacity of tank, that is this value, by the volume of water in 1 second, volume of water delivered in 1 second, which is you can find by multiplying this value with the 3.2, that is time, so with the speed. Whichever method you will find easy, you can do. Capacity divided by volume in 1 second. Volume in 1 second means this is the cross section multiplied by water delivered in 1 second, that is 3.2 meter. First change into centimeters, that is 320 centimeter per second. Divide this by this term. This is capacity, this is water delivered in 1 second. On dividing, you will also find your answer. Next, question number 8. A rectangular cardboard sheet has length and breadth. Square 3 cm are cut from the corners of the sheet. The sides are folded to make a rectangular container. Find the capacity of that particular container. Student, this is our required triangle and 4 squares have been cut from the corners. The length originally was 32 and breadth was 26. Now this the square was of 3 centimeter each side. So if from 26 minus 3, 23 minus 3, so this middle length will be now 20 and this length will be 26. So 32 minus 6 and 26 minus 6. We have calculated this inner length. So we are left with something like this. So now if when we fold this, so height will become 3 and length will become 26 and this width will become 20. So length originally was 32, breadth was 26. Now length new, so that is internal length. Now that will be, so 32 minus, so from both sides 3 centimeter reduced, so 2 into 3, which is equal to 26. Same way breadth new, 26 minus 2 into 3, which is equal to 20. So height is equal to 3 centimeter, because this side we have folded, so this will be then become the height. Now capacity, that is volume. Length new multiplied by breadth new multiplied by height. 26 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 3. So you can easily calculate, which is equal to 1560 centimeter cube. This is your answer. Original length, breadth. So from both sides we have subtracted 3. So this will become 26 and this breadth will become 20. And because we have folded these 4 papers, so this will, when हम इसे upright fold करेंगे straight, so this will be become height, which is 3. And all 4, so सारे हमने fold किए हैं, all the four sides are have been folded now, so this will become a container, so whose capacity is length into breadth into height. A swimming pool is 18 meter long, 8 meter wide. Its deep and shallow ends are 2 meter and 1.2 meter respectively. Find the capacity of the pool assuming that the bottom of pool slopes uniformly. So first of all we will make the cross-sectional view. Okay student, this is the cross-sectional view of the swimming pool. Its length is so somewhat here, so this is 18 meter long. So now this is the cross-sectional view. The shallow side is 1.2 meter, the deeper side is 2 meter, and the width is 8 meter, and the length along this side is 18 meter. So as these two sides are parallel, so now this is a trapezium. So if I would talk about this area, this is trapezium. So area of trapezium, you all know, half into sum of parallel sides multiply by distance between them, or we called it height, so or also distance between them, which is equal to 1. So 1.2 plus 2 into 8. Now capacity or volume is equal to area cross section multiplied by length. That is this 3.2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 18. So on calculating this we will find our answer. So which is equal to 230.4 meter cube. So this is the capacity of that particular swimming pool. This is area of trapezium. This is capacity of swimming pool. This is the last question. Following figure shows closed victory stand whose dimensions are in centimeter. Find the volume and surface area of this victory stand. So you can easily see this victory stand. All of you are aware what is a victory stand. So this is for first position, second position and third position. We have to find the surface area and volume of this victory stand. Okay student, first part, volume, we have to calculate volume. So for calculating volume, what we will do, we will split this figure into 3 parts. Now you have to remember that this is the cross section and length is always 40. I have not drawn the length, that is drawn in your book also. So this length is always 40. So I have not drawn. So now, so this is your first block, this is your second block, this is your third block. You can also write ABC block. So for calculating volume, we have to find volume of these 3 blocks and we have to then add. So volume of first block will be, so you can check if you have any confusion. So this is height is 20 and this is 30. I have written 20 30. Again this length is 30 and this height is 30. So I have written on the front side this is 30 and this is also 30. Now this is again 30 and this height is also 30 written in the end. I have written here in the front. Now every time if we talk about this length is 40 always. So volume of first block plus volume second plus volume third. So this will be 20 into 30 into 40. Okay, this height is 30, this is 30. So this complete length will be 60. So second block 30 into 60 into 40. Now third block 30 into 30 into 40. This is 30, this is 30 and back side length is 40. 30 into 30 into 40. So 30 40 here, 30 40 then here also 30 40, so we will take 30 into 40 common. 30 into 40 is 1200, so here 20 left, 30 in here plus 60 left, here plus 30 left. You can also take 10 more common as you wish. So this is 110. So 1 2 3 zeros, 11 into 12 132. So your volume is, you can check in meters or okay, in centimeter cube. So this is your volume. Second part, surface area of the victory set, that is your homework. You can try it by yourself. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.